How to make Threads account public. So if your Threads account is set to private and now you want to make it public, then this video is going to walk you through how to do that step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your Threads account public or change from private Threads account to a public Threads account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Now, once you open the Threads app just like this, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on the profile icon at the bottom right, you'll be taken to your Threads account profile page. So if you have multiple accounts, then you have access to it. You see that? Now, to make your private Threads account public account, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the lock icon at the top left. Then you'll be taken to your privacy settings on Thread. On the privacy settings page, locate private profile and then disable this. Once you tap the private profile, you should see switch to public account. Anyone on or off Thread can see and interact with your content. Then go ahead and click on OK and hang on while your Thread account is made public. So that is basically how to make Thread account public. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.